Hi, this is Venkatesan, Department of Chemistry, St. Joseph's College, Kadalur, Tamil Nadu. தானம் தவமிரண்டும் தங்காதினல்கம் வானம் வழங்காதினேன். திருக்குறள். Dear students, now we are going to see an important topics in coordination chemistry. This is in second part of orbital diagram. In previous video, we have discussed about the D term symbols. Now we are going to see about the molecular symbol for F. This is the electronic configuration, that is an D1 system to D9 system. You know that how to write the term symbols. For the D1, D2, D3, D4, write as D, F, F, D, then write 2, 3, 4, 5. Then for D6, D7, D8, D9, invert and write 5, 4, 3, 2. For the D5 and D10s are 6. That we are not including the orbital diagram. Only we are drawing the orbital diagram for D1 to D9 system, except D5. In previous video, we had discussed the D1, D9, D4, D6. Now we are going to discuss about D2, D3, D7 and D8. In D2, here for D2, D3, there is an F3 term and F4 term. For the D7 and D8, D7 is an F4 term, D8 is an F3 term. Here the ground state and excited state term symbols with the same spin multiplicity are F and P terms. So we have to include F term as well as the P term for drawing the orbital diagram. So this one is called as whole formulation. By knowing that Dn configuration, that is equal to D of 10 minus n configurations, because both will be in C. For example, if you are taking this D2 as a normal configuration, it is nothing but of whole formulation of D8, because D2 then D10 minus 2 you are getting as a D8, that is called as whole formulation. It is an invert of that one. It's same like if you are taking as D1, for the D1 it is an D2 configuration. For the D9 it is also a D2 configuration, but it is an inverted one. See, the molecular symbol for F term is A2G, T1G and T2Gs. So this is from group theory. Now see the splitting of this is in F orbitals containing F orbitals, that is in 4 orbitals. It is split up into 3. That is why molecular symbol is A2G, T1G and T2G. First one is T1G, that is in decrease in the energy of minus 6 dq, and there will increase in energy of plus 2 dq, that is T2G. After that 10 dq. Remember that this 10 dq is in del naught. So in order to find out the CFACs, you have to find out the transition between T2G and A2G. So this is an 10 dq. So this is an octahedral field. We know that when it is reversed, then it is called as an tetrahedral field. Now you can see in the tetrahedral field, it is an invert of that one. A2G in below that, after that T2G, above that it is T1G. So this is then a representation of F orbitals. Now how the splitting will be take place, we'll see. Now for the D2 configurations, 2 electrons are there, so L value is equal to 3. For the 2s plus 1, spin multiplicity S equal to 1, because each electron is 1 by 2, so it is 1, the value is 3, the term is F3. Again I am taking as a D2. This is because of electron you can write in the excited form. previous video we had discussed the term symbol. In that time I told that electron we have to excite it without giving a gap. Here we are excited electrons. Now previously it is in 2 and 1, but now it is in 1 and 0. Now the L value will be changes. L value is 1. If it is 1 means we know that from the term symbol, if it is 1 means that is in P. If it is 3 means that is F. So we are having a P term. You are having the P term. The spin multiplicity is 3. You can see that the spin multiplicity of P term and the F terms both are same. So we can include the both term in the orbital diagram. So this is for F term A2G, T1G, T2G. For the P term that is T1G. Here the representation of the orbital diagram for D2, D7, D8 and D3 configuration. Already you know that D2 and D7 we are taking the octahedral. When we are taking the whole formulation, then you are getting as D8, D3. There is an invert form. This is also an octahedral. We know that octahedral is an invert of tetrahedral. D2, D7 on octahedral. Now it is an invert of D2 and D7 in tetrahedral. Here D8 and D3 in octahedral. When you are inverted, you are getting as D8, D3. In this side is an tetrahedral. For the F term, it is in T1G, T2G and A2G. Here is a crossing over of T1G, but here there is no crossing over of T1G because of both are having the repulsion terms, T1G and here also in T1G. So that is why you are going here is a crossing over to take place. So we can see that 3 types of electronic transition in F terms. Here why it is crossing over means we are taking as A to G, it will be crossing over, but T1G this is also the same term, this is also the same term, so the repulsion will be take place. In my next video you can see about how many transitions are possible for D term and F terms, and also now in simply you can see the selection rule for the electronic transition. So this is a selection rule for electronic transition. First we are having 4 rules for the selection rules. One is an Laborde selection rule. Laborde selection rule, only the orbital contribution is there. So that is why del L is equal to 0 or plus or minus 1. So whenever you are having the conditions, it is an allowed one. Then spin selection rule, del S is equal to 0. That is an spin multiplicity. Whenever you are having the spin multiplicity is 0, then it is called as an, or you can take this one, 2s plus 1. This is also equal to 0. Then it is equal to 0. Then it is allowed transition. Then parity is there. You know that Gerard and ungerard. Gerard means Gerard you are given as evens, ungerard you are means not in even numbers. Gerard to Gerard and ungerard to ungerard is always forbidden because there is no transition between them. Gerard to ungerard, ungerard to Gerard is an allowed one. For the diatomic term symbol we are using as plus and minus. So only plus to plus and minus to minus is an allowed. Plus to minus, minus to plus is not allowed. That is a forbidden one. Here is 2 examples are there. Here both are in the sigma. That means L value is not differ. So del L equal to 0. So it is an allowed one. Here the spin multiplicity 2s plus 1 is equal to 1. 2s plus 1 is equal to 1. So the difference is 0. So you allowed. But here is in G to G. That means Gerard to Gerard is not allowed. So that is why G to G is not allowed. So it is an forbidden one. Another examples. Here only the spin multiplicity we are considered 2 and 3. Del S is not equal to 0. So that is why it is not allowed transitions. Thank you.